can't afford to buy a house, so we bought a boat. It's rusty and it's dated, but at least it floats. So follow our adventure as we build our home. Welcome to the channel, it's Project Bluey. New day on Bluey. We have a job we didn't get finished yesterday, which is getting all this stuff to the tip because we lost our key. Well, I didn't lose it. We left the key under all that stuff in the van and had to unpack it. So lovely sunny day though, I have to say, is to get this stuff in the van and go to the tip. So let's just crack on, shall we?
Yeah. We need to give the van a good clean after this because this is absolutely disgusting.
So we just got rid of a bunch of cables, Mariah. And
yes.
A tiny little bit of copper. And what's the damage?
The damage is €146.20.
Show us the money. We basically got paid €150 for a few old cables, which is pretty mad cool, isn't it?
Which is
well, it was 46 kilograms of cables, so it wasn't insignificant amount of cables, and then a little bit of
copper. So this is like 30 coffees.
Nice, good work. Box it. All right, little job for me. Remove all of these bolts in the roof because they're all in the way. We need to basically strip everything here back to bare metal completely before repainting. Otherwise, they're just gonna leave bolt-shaped holes in the repainting process. So they've all got to come out. And as you can see, there's quite a few of them. So let's get on with it. Got a pocket full of nails and they won't go. A pocket full of nails and they won't go. I got a pocket full of nails. To break down, kind of an odd job afternoon after going to tip and the scrapyard.
I've been cleaning the van because all of the sludge out of the boat has been dripping into the van. Everywhere we go, we take the boat smell with us.
I'm looking forward to washing all my clothes tonight. Now the boat's clean, I can get all that kind of awful sludge smell out of my clothes. Waiting for Shitza to come here for 3 o'clock about chopping the boat in half. So going to be an interesting conversation. So exciting. We spoke to our fixer Chitza, and he seemed very positive about it. He said we may even be able to do it in the dry dock and to keep the cost down. Plasma cutter to chop the boat in half, take out a 1.5 meter section, weld it back together in place. He originally quoted us about 10k, but I suppose it'll be less than that. But we'll just have to see. He's going to try and figure out some pricing options for us.
Interesting things happening. We're expecting a quote soon. We'll be sharing how painful that will be.
And you got a gig tonight?
I got a gig tonight. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
If you'd like to help us turn this boat into our forever home, then we are selling t-shirts on our website. All proceeds will go towards this project.